Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Aweyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can complete your OpenEX mission and how you can set up your mainnet or your testnet. The first thing you need to do is for you to complete some steps and how you can download this app. So the link is going to be in this video description. You can go and check it out. So you are going to find the link how you can download. So this is the link now. What you are just going to do here is that after you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, you are just going to click on download. The first one that I circled, you are going to click on is download from Google Play. As you can see, fee 0.109. So you are going to download from this app. So you are going to find the link in this video description. And how you can do that is that after you have downloaded, like you have clicked on this link. So after you have clicked on this link now, you are just going to download this. You are going to download. Okay, let me open it in my browser. So as you can see now, it's asking me to update it. So now you can update like this. So you can update if you are not up to date. So while the app is installing or is updating, the link that is going to be under this video description about how you can, that is the legit link for you to download this and to escape from scam. So guys, after it has finished updating, just click on open now. So I'm going to import my phrase key or mnemonic key now. So guys, after you input the key, what you are just going to click on next is to click on next and click on that. So you are going to input 8-digit number. You are going to input that. So guys, the first 8-digit number that you first type will be this same as the second one. So now after it has turned green like this, like no error, you are going to click on done. So guys, now if you sign up or if you don't have memory key, what you are just going to do is to click on, I'm going to sign out, so click on sign up. So if you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to enter your wallet, unlock password. But if you have signed up before, what you are just going to do is to click on sign in. Can see now, you are just going to click on sign in. Just going to bring 8-digit number, one 8-digit number instead of 2 8-digit number, and you are just going to click on your memory, your password now. So after you click you have typed your password, click on done. So guys, you can see that this my account now. To see your memory key, so I'm going to click on backup. You can see this backup. So this backup now, I'm going to click on that. So if you want to see your phrase key now, that then you are just going to press this thing, this green arrow. You are going to press it. It's going to make your memory key or your phrase key visible, and please save it to your Google account or on your phone where it's going to be saved, that where nobody is going to access it when you are not there, or you can write it down. So these are the way that you can do to save your memory key. And please don't say it, don't give it to hackers too, or maybe you are find an app online about your, if you have any issues with your OEX account, just go to X. On the official OEX account on X, they are going to provide a solution for you if you need their help. So let's go to, there is this about backup. So let's go to mission now. So this mission, so we are going to click on mission now. So now for us to start with missionC, okay, it has been updated. As you can see now, it has been updated. So this is 6, and on my script here I wrote 5, but this is a lucky one for you guys. I'm just going to be going to, I think mission is the first before updated. So I'm going to start with missionT now. So this is the missionC, and you can see now query, and this is score. So what you are just going to do is, if you have USDT now, I don't have any of this, you have USDT now. So this now that this place is not showing your balance, so for you to pass this, you must have at least one query call at this place that is going to show. So once you have above one call, they are going to approve it, like it's going to turn green here. It's going to turn green here. This place is going to turn green. So this place that I circle is going to turn green. So after that you have completed the call. So after you have more than one call in your balance, in your missionC, so what you are just going to do now is for you to complete the second one, and that is call. So you have to have more than one call in your balance. So that's for missionC. After you have, just click on submit, and if you want to swap for this mission now, maybe you have USDT, what you are just going to do now is to come to hub. So under hub now, you are going to see swap, click on swap. So now just select the, so this USDT, and select, go to the one that you want to swap to, and click on query. I think this is it. So this is the query that you want to swap to, so you can swap to this. Or so they haven't updated this to come yet, so come is not here, so I think they are going to update this to it later. So this Testnet, this Agin long, this core long, this OSS long. So that is the some. After that now, so that is that about missionC. And for you to complete missionE, let's come to missionE. So this your missionE. What you are just going to do, once it will bring you to this page, it's going to ask for your email, and that email must be the one that is linked to Satoshi App, the one that you use to open Satoshi. And after you input the Gmail, so now you are going to input your country, as you can see, and they are going to verify it. That is the easiest method for you to pass missionE. Just input your Satoshi email, the one that you use for your Satoshi, and input your country, the country that you reside in. So let's go to another one. It's very simple. So once you click on missionX, and what you are going to do is going to ask you that you should copy the post under in this missionX. So it's going to ask you to copy the post. So once you copy the post, you are going to come back to your X now. So now after you copy the post, you are going to come to your X, and you are going to send this. After you send, so you are going to click on this share post, and you are going to copy the link. So how are they going to verify this? How they are going to verify this your post is that there's a number here. So that number is what they are going to use to confirm. So this is the number now, like that's ABC. That is the number that they are going to use to confirm it. After confirming it, you are going to go back to your X post after you have copied the link, and you are going to paste the link. You are going to paste it here. So this is the link now. So this is the link to my post. This is the link that I copied that turned to number. So this is the link, and they are going to approve it. And so let's go to another mission now. The next mission is missionT. So this is Telegram. What you are just going to do is that after you click on Telegram, there's a particular number here at the top. Here is going to be in this place, like at agi.bot. So I'm going to take you to Telegram now. So once you first copy that link like agi.com. So I'm going to use like this place to copy it now. So I'm going to copy this now. Now I'm going to go to my Telegram. So there's a lot of agi.bots. So I'm going to show you the real one. So there's a lot of agi.com. So this is my Telegram now. So just click on the search bar on your Telegram app and copy the agi.bots now. So after you have pasted your agi.bots, so the first one here, so this is the real one now. So I'm going to show you how it look like. So if you go and click another thing, you are going to know. So I'm going to show you how you are going to know now. So if you click on agi, that is the real bot now. What you are just going to do is for you to send your wallet. So after it bring you to this place, so click on, so I'm going to show you. You are going to click on the first one here, that is bind your EVM address with the current Telegram account. So you are going to click on the first one that I circled with red, and after you have clicked that, just going to bring it that you should input your, then you are going to come again now. So you see this your wallet. So this is your wallet now. You are going to copy it now, and you are going to come back to your Telegram app. Then you are going to paste it now. You are going to paste it, and you are going to click on send now, and they are going to approve it like that. So let's come to, after they approve it, then you are going to come back to your Telegram, and you are going to meet something like this. So you are going to meet something like this specifically. And another mission is missionL. So this mission now is, oh thank God, now I can see now that I cannot approve it. I think they have approved it now. So now in this mission now, if you don't have USDT or OEX, that maybe you have USDT maybe 24, they are going to give you USDT for your testnet. What you are just going to do is, if you want to okay, I'm coming now. So now as this thing turn green, then I can click on buy. Can see now that I've buy this thing now. So thank God that it has worked now. Can see now that I've buy it now. So what you are just going to, I have completed this mission now, or the mission now. So now if you don't have the, what it is called, okay, you don't have the agile or OEX or USDT now. Maybe you have OEX, okay, maybe you ask USDT but you don't have OEX or agile. What you are just going to do is to come to swap, under click swap. So if you have maybe like 24 in your USDT, what you are just going to do now is to convert this to agile or OEX, the one that you want to swap to, or OEX, so you can swap to. Then you are going to be sending it one by one. You are going to be sending one USDT to, then you're just going to convert until you ask one more than one. So it's going to be converted until you ask one that more than one. What you are going to do now is to, so what I'm just going to show you. So this is what I'm working on. So this is what I'm seeing. What you are going to input the like this. You can now input another one. You can input 9. So you can input 0. You can see now that it's going to work. So that is how you are going to do for if you want to buy now. I can even click like an input. You can see now that. So no, if the number is not greater than the number that is here, you are going to do that, and that's how you can swap. So you can even swap. Maybe you have more OEX than USDT or AGIL. What you are just going to select here again is click on the USDT and change this to maybe AGIL. So it's not okay. I'm going to change this to OEX. Going to work. As you can see, then you can change the second one to the one you want to swap to USDT now. As you can see now, then there is how you are going to swap. So after it, then click on swap. You are going to click on this red video. Peace.